house. Let's go see what's for dinner. Let's hope and cross the rings that it's microwavable seeds, my favorite. Mummy, what's for dinner? Is it microwavable seeds? Yes, it's microwavable seeds! No, Mum, I will not share with sister and brother. Let me check before I end up eating.